It's kind of a pointless video, kind of sorta, but let's see. Put this right here. All right, I'm gonna see if get y'all input. I got this. I don't know if I want to sell it or keep it. If I keep it, of course, I'm gonna use it. So, for y'all who like fuck with me on here on YouTube, give me your thoughts. Should I keep it? Should I get rid of it? Let me know. I'm about to head over to AutoZone and go get this little cap that goes here. I really don't know why when they sell you a new one, they don't put it on there. Anybody need some bucket seat tracks for a G-body, let me know. Oh shit, son. Sometimes it's just the little things that make you so happy. Alright, fellow YouTubers, what we're going to do here today is an installation video on the Dorman 82589 power steering cap. Now, this is the power steering reservoir. This is the power steering cap. You insert cap like so and turn. Ah, yes, eureka. Installation is complete. I don't know if I ever got to share this with y'all, how bright this baby is, but my lifesaver. It's a bad boy. Got that right there. Bam, gets even brighter, baby. Charge this bad boy up and everything, man. Good old lifesaver.